Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to protect your Excel sheet with password. Okay, so if you want to protect your Excel sheet with password, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created this. Okay, so if you protect your Excel sheet, no one can edit anything, or no one can add row, no one can add column, or anything no one can do without password. Okay, so what you have to do to protect your sheet, here you will see home option. Okay, now here you will see review option, so you have to go to review. Okay, then here you will see protect sheet option, just click on this protect sheet, and now here you have to just create a password, okay, for your sheet. Okay, then here you will see select locked cell. Here you will see allow users of this sheet can do. Okay, so you can allow any user all these options, so they can do this. Okay, so here you will see delete column, delete rows, or add column, add rows. So if you allow your users, they can do all these things. So I only allow the select locked cell and select unlock cell. Okay, now click on OK. Now if I want to edit anything, okay, here you will see the cell or chart are to change is protected sheet. You cannot max change to if you want to change, you have to enter a password. Okay, so what you have to do, click on OK. So like this you can protect sheet in Excel. If you like this video, please like my video.